Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to restore deleted bookmarks folder in Google Chrome. First of all, I want to make sure that this method will only work if your Chrome is still open, because Chrome keeps a backup of your bookmarks, but it is overwritten when Chrome is restarted. Now let's dive in. First of all, go in the search bar and type File Manager and open it. Go in the search bar and here type this /user/admin/local/google/chrome/user data/default. Now press enter. Okay, in here find two files. First one bookmarks and second one bookmarks.bak. BAK. No, I'm talking about these two files, bookmarks and bookmarks.bak. Select this file, press F2 from your keyboard. Okay, now rename this to bookmarks underscore old. Go on the second one, again press F2 and rename this to bookmarks. After that, just click on yes and restart your Chrome and you will find your bookmarks there. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.